Om Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 18th July 2024, Adimasam 2nd day. Krodinama Samvatsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishmarado, Adimasam, that is Kadagamasam, Shukla Paksham, Tidhi up to 7:21 p.m. Dvadashi, then Trayodashi. Today's Guruvasra Yuktayam, Nakshatram Ketai up to 2:52 a.m. next day, then Moolam. Today's Ragukalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamakandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guligakalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Today's good time 10:30 to 11:30, then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam Mesharashi